Hey guys, so we're drawing Francis of Assisi. Let's get started with the halo. And then we're going to draw the hairline. It's going to be a U with 2 parentheses on the side and an arc on the bottom. He's kind of missing hair on top. So now let's make a plus sign and then 2 rectangles for the eyes. And then the nose, it's pretty slim nose. And then the mustache is going to be pretty thin as well. And then a smile for the mouth. The beard is going to be pretty thin. And then let's add detail to the eyes. We're going to add 2 ovals and a little circle. Alright, and for the clothes, we're going to add a bunch of wrinkles. Okay, and then a cross, and then a string. A string coming from left to right on the middle. And then lines going up and down from the string, created because of the tightness of the string. Alright, and then he has a dove on his right hand. And let's start with the wings, a little zigzag, and then the body of the bird, a little peanut, and then the feet. Let's go over with the marker and add curves for the hair. Now the marker part is the details. The pencil is just guidelines. And color in the middle. And then the eyebrows. The nose. Then the mustache with the mouth. The beard, we add lines. And then the clothes, we add a bunch of wrinkles. And then the cross, we just go over the lines around it. And then we do the string and the lines coming up and down with a curve on the middle.